Are you tired of endless paint swatches and guessing games? Meet PaintQuote Pro, a revolutionary paint color browser that changes everything. Let's explore how. You can browse by brand, scrolling through over 40 industry leaders. Let's click on the NC's brand. We can then filter by color categories. We'll click on limes. You can now scroll through the collection to find the perfect shade. Switch between brands, like RAL Colors or Teknos. Once you select a color like Gone Ice Fishing, from the Teknos catalog, PaintQuote Pro unlocks powerful color theory options. Effortlessly apply schemes like Monochromatic or a Triadic, all based on the professional 60-30-10 rule. Each color combination is perfectly matched from the actual brand catalog. For example, selecting the Triadic scheme for Gone Ice Fishing gives us London Calling and Forest. Let's choose a beautiful blue from Dulux. We'll click the Blues category, scroll down, and select Holiday Blues 4. We'll apply a split complementary scheme. When you're happy with your palette, simply click Save. In the dialog, we'll select Create New Project and name it LinkedIn Bedroom to keep everything tidy. Now, click Save Palette. Your saved palettes appear in a convenient sidebar. You can toggle between a compact list view and a more visual card view for a quick overview. You can even add more palettes to an existing project. Let's pick this delicate cornflower from Dulux. After generating a palette and clicking Save, we'll choose Add to Existing Project and select our LinkedIn Bedroom project from the dropdown. Need to clean up? Deleting old projects is just as simple. Click Delete next to the project group and confirm. Let's try a different approach. We'll click the By Color toggle at the top. Looking for greens? Simply click the Greens filter to see every green across all brands. We'll select a color from the Dutch Boy catalog, apply a color theory, and save it to our LinkedIn Bedroom project. You can also sort all colors by lightness or darkness with a single click, making it even easier to find the perfect hue. Finally, let's pick a vibrant orange from Farrow and Behr, a new kitchen project. We'll choose Book Room Red. See how the Triadic scheme perfectly pairs it with Babouche and Sulking Room Pink. Let's save the new kitchen palette. We'll create a new project and call it Kitchen. And you're all set. Ready to revolutionize your paint selections? Try PaintQuote Pro today.